Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to calculate work hours when your work hours go through midnight. Let's get started. To give you an overview, we had a previous video where we calculated the number of work hours from the given start and end shifts. As you can see, all we had to do was put the equal sign, select the end shift, and minus it with the start shift. Once we drag it down, everything seems to be fine except for this number, which is on Friday. We can see a bunch of number signs that are printed on our hours work column. To remedy this problem, all we have to do is make a function for it. For now, we're gonna use the if statement. Type the equal sign and press if. Now, we should make a logical test. If ever the start shift is greater than the end shift, then if the value is true, we have to select the end shift and add +1 to indicate that we're referring to this for the next day. If the value is false, we have to retain the value in the end shift. Now, we just have to close our equation and subtract our start shift. Once we do that, we're going to be able to get 8 hours from 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. To test if this theory works, all we have to do is change the numbers, and it should be equal by manually calculating it. Since 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. gives 4 hours, and 12 p.m. to 6 a.m. gives 6 hours, then we have a total of 10 hours. Now that we have that, we can just copy this cell to the other cells. Nothing would change, but still, that means our equation works. And that is how you compute the number of work hours for midnight in Microsoft Excel.